Guys, I don't know if y'all can see anything or not. That camera's not real good for wide angle stuff, but got the headliner out of the Mack here because we're putting the speakers in. No insulation, so I got some of this insulation to put in here. So let's see how the first piece goes. I've never used any of this before, so let's see what happens. And it said in the directions to use a roller on it. I didn't tuck it down far enough. Oh, I was looking for that. So, but anyway, so I have this roller I used to use when I built custom kitchen cabinets for gluing Formica down. So let's see how well that works. I believe she's stuck. But it's sound deadening, insulation, all in one, so hopefully it'll help. It wasn't, in the grand scheme of things, it wasn't all that expensive. Is that gonna fit? Yep, I believe it will. If we can get it worked in like that. It's a little tricky working this stuff in once you pull the back of it off. It wants to stick right away. So anyway. I think it'll hurt anything if it overlaps just a little bit. Probably should have drew a straight line across there. Make sure we're getting it straight. 'Cause it ain't. I can tell that by looking at it. Anyway, hopefully it will help. I mean, the heater in this thing works great. I'm hoping for a little more help in the summertime. Man, I wish I'd have slid that one back. Oh well. And the directions for putting this stuff on really didn't tell you a whole lot. Alright. Well, that's got to be cut. So should we do something like this? And then cut the little pieces on the side? I think that's what we're going to do. We'll put a couple full pieces in. Alright, I think you guys get the gist of it. I'll bring you back. So to cut this, I am just gonna lay a piece here on the cardboard, measure it. Need an 8-inch piece. Just going to use a box cutter and a 2-foot framing square. You know what they say, measure twice, cut once. There we go. Alright, put this piece in. Alrighty guys, bring you back for a little update. Been at it about 2 hours. Got the center section there pretty much done. And first couple pieces when I started, when you're putting full sheets up, goes real quick. And once you get over to where you got to start cutting around stuff, it takes a while. So I got the little section here and over there to do yet. So now I'll bring you back again sometime. Get back on this project, but it needs to get done. So, alrighty. So, here I just wanted to show you guys. I got all of the sound deadening insulation material on the ceiling or the roof here in the Mack. So now it's on to stereo installation. We'll go through this mess of wires and find the stereo speaker wires, power wires and everything for the stereo. Hopefully that won't be too hard, but I just wanted to show you guys. This turned out pretty nice. Wasn't too bad to put in. So yeah, so just wanted to give you all this little update. So everybody have a good one.